example of what you call custom. This thing is phenomenal. It's a 408 Windsor stroker. Got a T-sump pan, AFR heads. It's got a dark block, all forged assembly, all great pieces. But this thing has been painted like a creamy white color, top to bottom. Intake, heads, oil pan, timing cover, everything. This is what the gentleman wanted. This car is going to be driven, I believe, somewhere in deserts and all different types of places, and they run them at night, and they want to make sure when they come out with a flashlight, they can see the engine very clearly. So that's why they chose this color. But again, you could choose any color you like. We'd be happy to custom build anything you want. Here at Performance Unlimited, we are the experts in the engine building business. So again, if you're looking for something, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Thank you.
Alright, let's fire this bad boy up.